and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So friends, first I'm going to show you how I make my mince or my keema. Now I'm using chicken keema. So I have about 250 grams over here. Then I have one medium-sized onion chopped fine. This is about 10 cloves of garlic made into a paste. This is Everest Meat Masala. This is about 1 inch of ginger grated fine and some Kashmiri chilli powder. And of course, we require some salt to taste. Now I've just heated about 2 tablespoons of oil and I've added the onions. I'm going to fry the onions really well till they're nice and translucent. Next goes in my garlic paste. I'm going to fry this too well till all the rawness of the garlic goes away. Then goes in my ginger. I'm going to fry this well too. Now when you're making the ginger paste, just peel the ginger and then make the paste. And of course you can use that peel in your tea. When you're making tea, when you're boiling your tea, you can just add the ginger peel. Just a tip here. Then I'm going to add my meat, that is the mince or the keema, and I'm going to fry everything really well till the color of the keema changes from a pink to a white. Then I'm going to add my meat masala and the Kashmiri chilli powder and the salt, and I'm going to keep frying everything well till all the masala gets nicely mixed with the keema. I'm going to add about 1 cup of water and again give everything a good mix. And then I'm just going to cover and cook it till the mince is nice and cooked. And that's it. That's my simple keema recipe. When you're having it, you can have it with some pav and just squeeze some fresh lime on it, and your keema is all ready. Of course, this has to get cooked a little more, so I'm going to cover and cook it for about another 5 to 7 minutes. And that's it. Your keema is all ready, and you can enjoy this with some pav with a big dash of lemon juice. Now I'm going to fry this keema well till it starts to dry. And then I'm going to refrigerate it for at least 20 minutes. I want all the moisture to be taken away from the keema, so I'm going to fry it well in a pan or in the same pot. And I'm going to refrigerate it. And then I'm going to start making my parathas. That way it's easier, because if you have any moisture in your parathas, it's going to be very difficult to roll out the parathas. Now this is my normal whole wheat dough that I use to make chapatis or puris. So I've just taken a lemon-sized ball. I'm just going to make it nice and smooth. Now I've got my pan already heating, and I'm just going to roll this with my chapati roller. Not too big, just to a little medium size like this. Now my keema is become nice and it's chilled and there's no moisture in it. So I'm just going to add about 2 teaspoons of it, or you can add as much as you like, little or more. And I'm just going to spread it out onto the rolled out whole wheat flour. And then I'm just going to take the edges in like this. Take off the tip. Press it down. And then just dust some whole wheat flour on top. And I prefer using my hands when I'm making this keema parathas rather than using the roller, because then I can evenly spread out the paratha, and even the meat doesn't really come out, because it is a little different when you're making keema parathas than regular aloo parathas. It's much more easier to make an aloo paratha, but with keema, because it's got meat and it's not a very fine mixture, so you can use your hands like this. Just keep turning it and just keep pressing the edges. And that's it, friends. Your paratha is ready, and now we're just going to roast it on the pan like we would with a normal paratha. And you can put a little bit of whole wheat flour, that makes the process a little easier. Or you can very gently roll the rolling pin onto the paratha. But keep it very gentle, because otherwise if the meat starts coming out of the paratha, then it becomes a little difficult. And then I'm just going to continue roasting it on I'm using a non-stick pan for this. And then I'm just going to turn it over on one side. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit of clarified butter or ghee. When you're making parathas, it's always better to use ghee rather than oil. It just elevates the flavor and the paratha really comes out awesome. So you just continue in this way, and that's it. It's so simple, friends. So I hope you all do try out this recipe. It's really, really delicious. So friends, wasn't it really simple and with very few ingredients? So I hope you like today's recipe, and I hope you give it a try. And if you do, then don't forget to leave your comments in this comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. And once you do that, then also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below this video. And once you have subscribed, a little bell will show up. Just click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a video or a recipe, you'll be the first one to know. You'll get a message for the same. Also, to find me on YouTube, just type the recipe you're looking for, and at the side of it or the next to it, just type Akshata's recipes. For example, if you're looking for chicken curry, just write chicken curry, Akshata's recipes, and all my chicken curry recipes will come up. Also, I'm active on Facebook, Instagram, and I have my own blog page. All links will be down in the description box below. So thank you so much for joining me today, and have a nice day. Be safe, stay healthy, stay at home, and be kind and loving to one another. And I'll catch you in my next recipe and next video sooner than you think. Take care, guys. Bye.